Hey there, Golden Bears. I'm Mark with the Financial Aid and Scholarships Office, and I'm here to help you understand the cost of attending Berkeley and how to make sense of the awards you were offered. I will also go over calculating how much you may owe Berkeley after all your awards are applied. Before our Financial Aid and Scholarships Office can award you aid, we must first estimate how much we think it will cost you to attend Berkeley during our 9-month academic year. The estimated cost of attendance, or budget, serves as the foundation for determining your financial need, as well as the amount of financial aid, including grants and scholarships, that can be offered to you. Cost of attendance figures are established through student surveys and other research and can vary based on your living situation, like living in a dorm versus living in an off-campus apartment, and your residency status. Cost of attendance is more than just tuition and fees. Additional components include room and board, books, supplies, transportation, personal expenses, and for some, health insurance costs. It's everything that we think it will cost to educate you, feed you, house you, and keep you clean during the academic year. We use these average expenses as the foundation for awarding aid. Your estimated cost of attendance contains both direct and indirect costs. Direct costs are what the university bills you directly. These are items like tuition and fees, room and board, if living on campus, and health insurance. Any direct costs you will see billed to you through your student account. Indirect costs are those controlled by you and are not directly billed through the university. These are costs like transportation, books and supplies, room and board, if living off campus, and personal expenses, like boba. Our Financial Aid and Scholarships Office will provide you a financial aid package to meet your direct and indirect costs that make up the total cost of attendance. The type of aid we award to meet your cost of attendance depends on the information provided on your aid application and could include gift aid, free money, work study, and loans. Yes, loans are a part of a financial aid package and are considered financial aid. As a public institution, most of our students are offered loans to help with their costs. That being said, you may not need to borrow or may not need to borrow all that you've been offered. To determine how much you may need to borrow, we will first calculate your net cost. Net cost is the estimated cost of attendance minus any gift aid, grants and scholarships you've been offered. The net cost represents the amount of funding you may need in addition to your gift aid to meet all of your educational expenses for the academic year. The net cost can be met with scholarships you bring with you, work study, loans, or family contributions. The net cost is an estimate of how much funding you may need beyond the free money you've been offered to meet your total cost of attendance. It is not necessarily the amount you will owe the university. Once you have calculated your net cost, you are ready to determine how much you may need to borrow and work. Some questions to ask: will you be bringing in outside scholarships to help with your cost? Do you have savings that you plan to use to meet your cost of attendance? Will you be working over the summer and saving those earnings? Remember, any scholarship you bring with you, savings or earnings, can help reduce the amount you need to borrow. But let's get real. What you really want to know is the bottom line. Will I need to pay anything? And if so, how much? You can estimate how much you will owe or how much refund you will receive by calculating your total charges for the term and subtracting from the total amount of grants and loans you have accepted. We will exclude work study for now. We've created a worksheet that can help you calculate your balance due or refund. Check out this link. If there are more charges than aid, you will have a balance due. If there's more aid than charges, the difference represents a refund that will come to you at the start of the semester. This refund will help with those indirect costs: books, supplies, transportation, personal costs. If you expect a refund, be sure to sign up for direct deposit to have those funds automatically delivered to your bank account. Visit this link. But say you do have a balance due or need more money to address indirect costs. This is where your work-study funding can help you. Work-study is a need-based student aid program that gives you the opportunity to earn money through part-time employment. Work-study earnings are not distributed through your student account and do not reduce your tuition bills. They are earned wages through employment that you receive in the form of a paycheck. You can use those wages to help with your indirect costs and to buy your boba. If you don't have work-study in your financial aid package, or you will still need funds even after accounting for potential work-study earnings, it's time to consider student loans. The calculations you did to estimate your balance due will help you determine how much you may need to borrow. Remember, you can borrow less than the loan amounts offered to you in your financial aid package, and it's important to understand the terms of any loan you accept. Visit financialaid.berkeley.edu/loans to learn more about the different types of loans available. Your time here with us at Berkeley will be one of the most life-changing experiences on your path to even greater things. Remember, a UC Berkeley education is an investment in your future and offers immense value in return. You'll become part of a legacy filled with tons of amazing current students and alumni the world over. Your journey to a world-class education here at Berkeley is only just beginning, and your golden future awaits.